beginning, I would like to revise or big mug up from what we have learned previously. Okay. So we have gone through the storage medium. We have gone through. We have seen about storage media, secondary storages. After that, we have started with motherboards. Once again, we have started with all this stuff. So in that verge of learning more about this internal and external components of the computer, we learned about RAM, ROM, CPU, secondary devices in that hard disk, then SSDs also we have seen about. After that, disk drives. In that, I have told you about floppy drives. I have even shown you how the floppy drive used to look like. Yeah. This was the actual floppy drive. Floppy drives used to look like this. I have told you in that I have seen this kind of floppies till now, but I have not seen this and this kind of floppies. Might be a few of your parents might have seen this. Hai na? And what was this? This was actually the floppy drive. This is floppy disk, floppy. This is floppy disk, and this is floppy drive. फ्लॉपी डिस्क माना जो हम लोग इंसर्ट करते हैं, जो स्टोर करता है हमारे डाटा को, थिंग विच एक्चुअली स्टोर्स आवर डाटा. एंड व्हाट इज फ्लॉपी ड्राइव? फ्लॉपी ड्राइव इज मींस a device which drives that floppy disk, है ना? A device which drives that floppy disk is called as floppy drive. Okay, let us now move a bit ahead. After that, this one is a CD drive. What do you mean by CD drive? CD drive, many of you might have seen the compact disc. Compact disc, CD, the full form of the CD drive is compact disc. CD drives are very common. In case of computers, we can store data in it, and whatever data will store in the CD drive, it depends, like we can add that data, but we cannot delete that data. What do you mean by this? Because a CD drive is readable as well as writable, but the data that is not rewritable. Rewritable का मतलब क्या होता है? Like in our copy, if we'll write down with pen, so what will happen? We cannot write down on the same portion of that book again. We'll have to open the new page, and from there we can start. है ना? And if we'll write down with pencil, what we can do is, like, we can erase it and again use the same piece of paper to write anything. है ना? So that's what it is. We call it as writable and rewritable. So CDs are writable but not rewritable. Although there were there were an era at the time which, like, rewritable CDs were also introduced, but it was a kind of, it was not that common the way we use normal discs. Such discs also exist, rewritable discs also, CD drives also exist, but not that commonly, है ना? So in that CD drives, there is one in power infrared LED is used, powerful infrared LED is used, or we call it as a laser light is used to read the data on CD. That we have seen that day. I have told you this all. After that, I have told you about SMPS. SMPS is a power supply. Basically, it is the full form of this is switched mode power supply, and this supply is used to give power to the components which we use inside the computer. So before moving ahead, let us understand a bit about ports. So what are ports? Port means, can anyone tell me what is port? Okay. Nobody will unmute their mic, better. Can anyone tell me about port? What do you mean by port? I have told you that also. I am repeating this thing since 3 days. Can anyone tell me what is port exactly? Port connects external and internal hardware of the computer. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We can attach exactly. So this thing is called as port. So why ports are used in computer? Because computer alone itself means if only we'll took a motherboard, it cannot give us output. If we'll take only mouse, it cannot give us any input, है ना? So अगर कंप्यूटर को सही से काम करना है तो विल हैव टू कनेक्ट ईच एंड एवरी पेरिफेरल. पेरिफेरल मीन्स क्या होता है? अटैचमेंट. जैसे हमारे पेरिफेरल्स होते हैं हमारे हाथ पाँव, वैसे कंप्यूटर के पेरिफेरल्स होते हैं उसके एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस, है ना? So these peripherals need to be connected to get to give proper input to the computer as well as to get output from the computer. What is output and what is input? There is no need that I must tell you or I must focus on these things right now, because we have done this in too much before only. So Vedu, if next time you will present the screen, I can suspend you for 1 day from my class. Keep it in mind. Apart from me, no one else will present the screen. There is no need to touch the computer or device, whatever you are using, while class is going on. Just keep it away. Okay. So we are discussing about the peripherals. So what do you mean by peripherals? That we call it as अवयव, शरीराचे अवयव, जैसे हम लोग मराठी में कहते हैं, like we call it as in our day-to-day life. So likewise, these are the peripherals, means the components which actually create a computer which we see in our day-to-day life, है ना? So all our body parts do not work similarly, right? All of our body parts have their own tasks. All of our body parts have their own sort of all of our body parts have different functions. Likewise, in computer also there are some different ports and different components which have their own functions, है ना? जैसे मुंह होता है खाना खाने के लिए, हाथ होता है अलग अलग काम करने के लिए, कुछ उठाने के लिए, हाथ का पंजा होता है कुछ और काम करने के लिए. Likewise, computer also have different kind of components with the help of which computer do perform its task, है ना? वो अपने काम complete करता है. So likewise, अब हमें like we do see output on the screen of computer. तो कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पे अगर आउटपुट आ रहा है, इट मीन्स दैट somewhere वो स्क्रीन कनेक्टेड होती है with the help of a cable to the computer. So in old era, like the era before 5 to 10 years, people used to use this kind of connections to get connected with the screen of computer from CPU. So this port is called as VGA port. The full form of this is Visual Graphic Array. Many of you have asked me, sir, what is array? Yes. Many of you have asked me about the Visual Graphic Array. Array means बेटा एक arrangement होती है, जैसे array उस चीज को कहते हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं और उनको एक पर्टिकुलर इसमें हम लोग बांध के रखते हैं. लाइक यू नो, array means if you want to see the mathematical representation of an array, I would like to tell you, array looks like this. Something like this is called as array data structure. इसको बांध के रखना, है ना? Look at this example. This thing is called as array. So visual graphic array means एक ऐसा array जो विजुअल को ग्राफिक मीन्स जो विजुअल ग्राफिक्स जो होते हैं उनको कंप्यूटर पे ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए इट हेल्प्स अस, है ना? So that thing is called as visual graphic array. अब ये visual graphic array को डिस्प्ले पे दिखाने के लिए ये पोर्ट यूज होता है. This port has 15 pins. 15 pins. This port is a 15-pin port. If you count these pins, these are 15 pins, है ना? So most important thing you must remember about VGA is it has 15 pins and it is used for It is used to get output. There is output. It is used to get the screen output or graphical output on the screen. After that, let us move on to the next port that we call it as PS2 port. PS here nowhere concerned with PlayStation. PS is just a name. Okay. It is given by personal system. Actually, it is given by a company called as IBM. You might have heard about IBM. Nowadays, it is owned by computer section of it is owned by Lenovo, and it is well known as ThinkPad PCs. The ThinkPad PCs you might have heard about, वो जो होते हैं वो सारे IBM के होते हैं. So basically, IBM was a company which introduced these ports that is for for the interference of personal devices like mouse and keyboard. So here you might be able to see कि ये कीबोर्ड का सिंबल है, ये दिस इज माउस का सिंबल, तो यहाँ पे वो कनेक्ट होते हैं और इस तरह से दिखने वाले पोर्ट्स को भी कॉल इट एज PS2 पोर्ट्स. So PS2 port is a 16 mini DIN connector. DIN का मतलब होता है डायरेक्ट इनपुट, used for connecting keyboards and the mice to a compatible computer system. Why they have used the word compatible? Because nowadays people do not use PS2 mouse and PS2 keyboards because that was just an old age technology, and nowadays USB compatible mouses and keyboards are available in the market, and they're bit cheap and bit usable or bit lifelong usable than PS2 माउस एंड कीबोर्ड, क्योंकि ये जो कनेक्टर्स होते थे ये काफी डेलिकेट होते थे. तो अगर आप 6 पिन में से आपका एक भी पिन थोड़ा भी मुड़ जाता है आपके कनेक्टर में तो वो काम नहीं कर पाता. तो दिस इज व्हाट आर PS2 कनेक्टर. सो PS2 पोर्ट्स आर यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट कीबोर्ड एंड माउस टू द कंप्यूटर. उससे पहले था VGA. VGA इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट a graphical array or visual graphics to the computer screen, or we call it as a monitor. Okay. After that, there is one more point we call it as USB port. Many of you might be knowing what is USB port. It is very one of the most common thing we use in our day-to-day life, because USB port means like even हम लोग जो phone को charging के लिए लगाते हैं, that thing is also called as USB port. So there are so many types of USB port. Here we are able to see only 6 of them. So the first one is called as USB A. The second one is called as USB B, which is not that famous or it is not that commonly used. After that, the third one is called as USB Micro B. So that port is nowadays used in external hard disks. Along with that, there is Micro USB. This one. This port is used for mobile charging. Nowadays, mobile devices and other devices are using this port for charging. After that, there is one port we call it as mini USB. You might be able to see this port in many other devices, like standard devices. Many of the standard devices uses this kind of ports, like external. There are so many other devices like you might have seen this commonly, because old age mobiles also having this port, many of them. And nowadays this port is very famous. This we call as USB-C port. USB-C port is one of the most common port nowadays. We are getting almost in every device for charging as well as for discharging. So this port has bidirectional conversion of power, and in this micro USB only unidirectional transmission of power is possible. So in USB Type C, bidirectional transmission of power is also possible. What do mean that? बेसिकली अगर मैंने एक मोबाइल चार्ज कर लिया और मेरे फ्रेंड का मोबाइल डिस्चार्ज है, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ USB टाइप सी पावर केबल आई कैन चार्ज हिज मोबाइल विद द हेल्प ऑफ माय मोबाइल आल्सो. ये बाय डायरेक्शनल होता है. दैट फैसिलिटी इज अवेलेबल इन USB type C. This type C has many different features also, like it can charge your phone as well as it can charge your computer. It can nowadays a fast or flash chargers are getting used to charge your other devices also, है ना? So this is one of the most important ports There are few ports because nowadays USB is very common for us in our day-to-day life. In many of the things we use USB. That is why to learn more about USB is very common. That is very good thing. I think you must be knowing this USB ports, and you must be able to identify which port can be called as what. है ना? After that, there is one port we call it as a DVI port. DVI. Hardly you might have seen this port. I myself have seen this port only few times. बिकॉज ये जो है ये भी ऐसा होता था कि अगर किसी कंप्यूटर को एक से ज्यादा हमें ये लगाने हैं मॉनिटर्स, उस केस में ये पोर्ट यूज होता था, डीवीआई पोर्ट. और बेसिकली it used to have so many pins, it used to have so many other different type of configurations, it used to support so many other stuff. ये एक साथ आपको अगर आपके कंप्यूटर पे दो से तीन मॉनिटर अगर आपको लगाने हैं तो ये पोर्ट यूज होता है. वी यूज टू यूज दिस पोर्ट. it used to get connected directly with graphic card. Someone has asked me, sir, what is graphic card? So I have told them a card which helps computer to bring their graphics from hard disk to the screen quickly, है ना. एक ऐसा कार्ड जो आपके हार्ड डिस्क में स्टोर्ड ग्राफिक्स को स्क्रीन पे लाने के लिए, फास्टली लाने के लिए जो मदद करता है, दैट कार्ड इज कॉल्ड एज ग्राफिक कार्ड. एंड दिस पोर्ट is basically getting used to connect more than one monitor to a computer. Now you might have seen, might have not seen, और बहुत लोगों को भी ये भी लग सकता है कि सर क्या सच में एक कंप्यूटर पे दो मॉनिटर चलते हैं. हाँ, यस बेटा, we can connect more than two or more than three, not more than three, but I have seen till now 6 monitors to a single computer, है ना. So we can connect more number of monitors to a computer, and उन सबका जो combined view आता है वो एक मींस यू नो हमारी पूरी एंटायर स्क्रीन उसमें डिवाइड हो जाती है 6 मॉनिटर्स पे.
Hello.
Please don't unmute your mic. If somebody want to ask me anything, you can definitely comment in the comment section. Many of you might have seen this, many of you might have not seen this, but in old age technology, people used to use this DVI port to do that, है ना. So there is nothing too much to remember about this thing, but you can simply consider this as like you must be knowing this. And nowadays the era, the latest factor we use nowadays is HDMI port. This is most commonly used ports nowadays. जितने भी आप लोग वहाँ बैठे होंगे, many of you might be able to see एक पोर्ट, ऐसा टाइप का पोर्ट आपके लैपटॉप पे होगा. इफ यू पीपल आर हैविंग अ टीवी, ऐसा पोर्ट आपके टीवी पे भी हो सकता है. इफ यू पीपल आर हैविंग ओल्ड लैपटॉप, in that laptop also you might be able to see this kind of port. So this HDMI stands for high definition multimedia interface. That is called as high definition multimedia interface. So what do you mean by, once again, high definition means काफी अच्छा और क्लैरिटी वाला, high definition. Multimedia means graphics, audios. Multimedia we have seen in previous year, graphics, audios, and other kind of stuff. And then interface means when something allows us to get connected with, that thing is called as interface, है ना. So means high definition multimedia interface का मतलब होता है a port which allows us to get connected with high definition media, multimedia. So with the help of this port, we get connected with high definition multimedia from one computer to a screen, है ना. Okay, yes, HD graphics, yes, very nice. So nowadays this thing is very common, and basically in VGA port do not use to transmit audio also, but this HDMI port used to transmit audio as well as video, है ना. मीन्स VGA जो था इसमें ऑडियो नहीं ट्रांसमिट होता था, इसमें सिर्फ वीडियो ट्रांसमिट होता था. पीपल यूज टू गेट ओनली वीडियो, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ HDMI, we can transmit our video as well as our audio at the same time. Okay. After that, yeah, here it is written clearly that HDMI is a digital replacement for analog video standards like VGA, है ना. तो जो ओल्ड एज VGAs होते थे उनका ये डिजिटल रिप्लेसमेंट है. व्हाट डू मीन बाय डिजिटल रिप्लेसमेंट? अभी लोग उसको यूज नहीं करते, पीपल यूज टू यूज दिस थिंग. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट you might be able to see, you might have seen this HDMI, या फिर ऐसा लोगों कहीं पे देखा होगा, किसी टीवी पे होगा, किसी उस पे होगा, किसी डिवाइस पे होगा. You might have seen this. That is a pretty common thing. This type of connector is this. It looks like something like this from inside. Please don't unmute the mic. Please don't unmute the mic. I'm able to see you, है ना. If you'll do this, I'll note down your name and I will bar you from this. Will not allow you to attend the class. Mahim Shah Mahim. Okay. So this is HDMI. After that, there is one more thing I would like to introduce here is Ethernet port. Acha, tell me Ethernet. How many of you have heard this thing before, Ethernet? Okay. What do you remember with when someone says Ethernet? What do you remember? Internet. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Pritam Saha. उधर का कॉपी पेस्ट करके मेरे को पेस्ट कर रहे हो बेटा? Yes, wired network connection. Very nice. है ना? So basically, this port is called as Ethernet port. Many of you might have seen this port in our school also when we used CAN. In that CAN, a port was inserted in the CAN, which was Ethernet port. The same port we have seen before, right? So this port is an opening on computer network equipment that Ethernet cable plugs into. What does that mean? ये एक ऐसा पोर्ट है जिसमें इथरनेट केबल जाती है ना. The purpose, their purpose is to connect wired network hardware to an Ethernet local area network. Means if there is a wired area network, means wired network, है ना. The time when we have learned about networks, I have told you there are two type of networks always. One is wired network and second is wireless network. Yes. Yes. Network. Always two types. One is wired. Second is wireless. You might have seen a symbol like this. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a type of wireless network. And this is symbolic representation of wired network. Actually, in our presentation only, we are able to see this portion. Yeah, this cable connector is called as RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector. And this port is called as, technically it is called as RJ45 port. So this is RJ45 connector, and this is RJ45 port. So this connector gets connected into yes, this port, है ना? So why it is used? Basically, it is used to get internet with the help of this cable, internet cable. Getting my point? It is very clear. We have seen this so many times. I have told you the same thing so many times. है ना? After that, there is one more confusing point comes here. You might have seen this kind of stuff beside your computer, and if we are having some audio device with us, so the one wire or one cable of that audio device use and get connected into this green one. You might have seen this. So why it is called RJ45? That is not a that is actually with the help of standards. There is not only RJ45, there is RJ10. ये एक सीरीज है, ये एक सीरीज होती है with the help of which उनको nomenclature किया जाता है, जैसे i5, i7, i10, i9. ये CPU का सीरीज है, वो कंपनी ने रखा हुआ उनका नाम है ना? So we cannot say कि why they called it as a RJ45. बेसिकली ये जो कंपनीज होती है, ये जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स होते हैं, ये अपने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के वक्त स्टार्टिंग में इस चीज को डिसाइड करते हैं. दे decide by themselves why it is called as RJ45 or why it is called as RJ10, right? Okay, so let us move on to audio ports. So basically this port you might have seen in your computer, and if you have any audio device with you, that gets connected to this port. Basically these three ports have their different purposes. Here you might be able to see this. But if you want to record any of volume from any mic or kind of devices, it will get connected here. A mic will get connected to this port of a computer. Means, what do you mean by that? Means if you have a mic, if you are using a mic for communication via your computer system, so आपको आपके mic में जो port होगा, that port will get connected to computer, or it will get connected to computer with this port. After that, if you are having speaker, external speaker in your computer, it will get connected directly to this port. This port is also called as audio port, right? Along with that, if you want to, if you have a third party source means if you want to play audio from different media on this computer, at that time this port will use. Okay, video games, no beta, no video game. Basically you cannot connect video games and all with this port. Basically these ports are dedicatedly dedicatedly used for sound interface, sound from our system or sound from the external devices. The ports are basically dedicated to sound. So in our mobile phone, we have recently seen that in our mobile phone, that thing is called as 3.5 mm port. 3.5 mm jack, we call it as. In that 3.5 mm jack, basically it is a stereo jack. Stereo means it has both way, means left and right channel of audio input, as well as it can record the input. Means this mic port and this external audio port, both are connected together, or with the help of that connection, it also supports left and right channel of audio. So that is what is called as 3.5 mm jack. But let us not look at that stuff right now, because what we are going to learn here is audio port. So this was a basic about audio ports. Now let us read what exactly is given in our book. In modern day motherboards contains minimum 3 audio ports. The first one is colored red and is for microphone. That's what I have told you. After that, the second one is colored blue and is for an audio input device. Means that's what I have told you, that external, if you have external source with the help of which you want to give input to the computer, you can connect it in a blue port, and which could be microphone, yes, or guitar. Means like जैसे हम लोग होता है, you might have seen कि externally हम लोग we can connect guitar along with that Casio kind of things. There are so many instruments. Apart from that, there are so many other things we can definitely get connected to computer with in case of audio system, है ना? So at that time we use these ports. Apart from that, if you want get output in the form of audio device, then we'll connect it to the green. So with this, I think we have covered the internal hardware of this computer system. Right now, I think let us go through it once again. Okay, we have started with ports. We have seen the first port, that is VGA port. VGA means that is visual graphic array. What do you mean by visuals and what do you mean by graphic? Visual means whatever we see on the screen of the computer in the form of graphics or animation or images, that is called as visual graphic. And array means to combine that each and everything on the screen, that stuff is called as VGA. So whenever we drive that stuff on our screen, the port which we use to do that is called as VGA port. After that, there is one more port, we call it as PS2 port. PS2 stands for Personal System 2. The name is given by whom? IBM. IBM was the leading manufacturer. है ना? Repeat array. There is no need to repeat array. Varadwan, there is no need to repeat array. Array means to keep everything combined. है ना? विजुअल्स और ग्राफिक्स को कंबाइंड रखने का काम जो करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एरे. कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर इज आउटपुट डिवाइस इज डिस्प्ले प्रोग्राम. हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है चंद्रकांत जाधव, आई नो बेटा. राइट. After that, PS2, I have told you, PS2, the name is given by IBM computers, which is Personal System oblique 2. है ना? If you'll ask about, if you wanted to know about personal system, what do you mean by that? PS, sir, what is PS? PS means personal system, oblique 2. This is a 6-pin port, that is 6-pin mini DIN connector. You must keep it in mind, that is 6-pin mini DIN connector. 6-pin mini DIN connector. है ना? Apart from that, what is the most important thing to remember about this is, like, these ports are useful to get connected with mouse and keyboard interface of a computer. Mouse and keyboard interface of the computer. After that, we have learned about USB port. Which port? USB. The USB has so many different kind of ports nowadays we use in our day-to-day life. In that, the first one is USB A port. The most commonly seen port till now. You might have seen this almost everywhere nowadays. That is why it is important to get learned about these ports. This USB V port. Many of the time, like people used to get connected with, people used to use this port in printers. Many of you might have seen this in printer. Printer is the device which we connect with the help of this port. After that, USB micro port. This port is nowadays we use in external hard disk. External hard disk. After that, micro USB. Micro USB is the port which we use to charge our mobiles in our day-to-day life. But apart from that, this port is used for so many other purposes, like to transmit current from one place to another place in a way. After that, there is one more port we call it as mini USB. You might have seen this port, mini USB. मिनी यूएसबी बहुत कॉमनली यूज अभी नहीं होता है, बट बहुत सारे फोन्स में ये मिनी यूएसबी यूज होता था पहले। ये काफ़ी स्टर्डी पोर्ट होता है, काफ़ी हेल्दी पोर्ट होता है। इसका लाइफ अच्छा होता है। if you can use easily, can use this port easily for more than 5-10 years, उसमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं होता है। और इन सबका एडवांसमेंट जो है वो दैट इज नाउअडेज यूएसबी सी पोर्ट। दैट इज व्हाट बेटा, यूएसबी सी पोर्ट। What do you mean by USB C port? This port is nowadays one of the most common port. Yes, many of the mobile nowadays mobile are getting this USB C port for fast charging. So why it is introduced? Basically ये जो माइक्रो यूएसबी पोर्ट था, इसमें सिर्फ एक साइड से आप क्लिपिंग कर सकते थे। इसमें वन वे कम्युनिकेशन होता था, वन वे पावर डिसमिसल होता था, वन वे पावर डिस्चार्ज होता था। इन दिस पोर्ट टू वे पावर होता है। इसमें आप एक मोबाइल से दूसरा मोबाइल भी चार्ज कर सकते हो इन दिस पोर्ट। this is a kind of very basic and common example of why we use USB-C port. After that, USB-C port has so many other good things. It can carry the current up to 50 watt to 100 watt. So what do you mean by 50 watt and 100 watt? Basically, a current of a huge capacity can be transmitted with the help of USB-C port. है ना? After that, I'll not tell you a lot about this because I want you to read it. I'll not tell you. I'm just giving you the brief idea about this. I want you to read it. Until unless you will read it, you will not get it. So this is a kind of homework to you. Whatever I'm teaching today, whatever I'm teaching every day, you will come and you will read it out. And once you'll read it out, then and then only you will get it. And if the problem is coming to you, you can definitely ask me. Can we tell LATA cable for USB? I didn't got your question. And micro USB carries. Okay. Yes. Please send me textbook link again. Yes. From Mane. That is very easy. sainikschoolchandrapur.com/computer. I'm writing down it in the comment section itself. School. Yeah, Akhilesh have shared the link. If someone wants it, take it from uh, chat itself. Okay, so let us move on to the next thing. We call it as DVI port. We have seen DVI port. DVI port is used to get connected more than two displays. It was used in old age era. Nowadays we don't use it basically. This port was pretty common in old era when people used to get more than one displays to a computer, है ना? तो दो से ज़्यादा अगर डिस्प्ले आपको एक कंप्यूटर को लगाने हैं तो बेसिकली ये DVI पोर्ट यूज होता था. Nowadays the digital replacement of this every port VGA or DVI is HDMI. That is what? High definition multimedia interface. High definition multimedia interface, HDMI, है ना? The purpose we use mini USB is like, basically if you look at the internal structure of mini USB or micro USB, they used to carry this is somehow a mini USB looks like. They used to have one strip inside it which has 4 to 5 connectors inside it, and with the help of that there is the power is get transmitted, है ना? At the same time there is one more thing, like in micro USB such kind of structure is there. Okay. So guys, do one thing. I would like to ask you one simple question. I want to take some roll numbers. I just want to make it confirm ki are you present or not, right? Okay, so roll number 52, you will give me your response in the comment section. If you are present, you will write it in comment section. Roll number 52. Nobody else will, only those people will tell जिनका मैं रोल नंबर लूंगा, उनके अलावा कोई नहीं बोलेगा. रोल नंबर 52. रोल नंबर 46. रोल नंबर 42. रोल नंबर 05. रोल नंबर 70. रोल नंबर 32. 05. संस्कार हकारे, are you 05? Please, no one else will write anything in comment section. So write down there, Sanskar Hagare, write down your roll number and name and say present. Sujal, what I have said, no one else will write down his roll number. Please. जिनका रोल नंबर मैं अभी ले रहा हूँ सिर्फ वही लोग लिखेंगे. रोल नंबर 52, रोल नंबर 46, रोल नंबर 42, roll number 05, that is Sanskar. Okay, done. Then roll number 70, roll number 32, roll number 75, roll number 84. Along with that, roll number Krishnakant. Is Krishnakant there? Is Krishnakant there? Arya, is Arya there? Okay. So we're looking over Om Salunke's question. What is the difference between USB mini and USB micro and why we use it? बेसिकली बेटा ये जो भी पोर्ट होते हैं इनका एक सिंपल पर्पस होता है, इनका और कोई पर्पस नहीं होता. दो टाइप से ये डाटा को ट्रांसफर करना और पावर को ट्रांसफर करना. इट यूज टू कैरी 5 volt of current. Along with that, it is used to carry some amperage, it is used to carry 5 volt of voltage, and along with that it is used to carry up to 2 ampere of current. You might be able to see कि जब आप अपना फोन का चार्जर कभी देखोगे तो उस पर लिखा होता है 2000 मिली एम्प. 2000 मिली एम्प मीन्स 2 एम्प. तो एक ये जो कनेक्टर्स होते हैं इनका पर्पस ये होता है कि ये इतना वोल्टेज को कैरी करे और इतने करंट को कैरी करे एट द सेम टाइम, और इसके अलावा वो एक प्रॉपर कनेक्टिविटी दे. कनेक्टिविटी का मतलब होता है अगर मैंने फ़ोन को चार्जर कनेक्ट किया और वो प्रॉपर बैठ ही नहीं रहा है तो, और वो फट से निकल जा रहा है, ऐसा कनेक्टर तो मेरे काम में नहीं आएगा. इससे मैं फ़ोन विल नॉट गेट चार्ज करेक्टली, है ना. तो इन दैट केस ऐसा ना हो इसलिए ये कुछ स्टैंडर्ड शेप में इन्हें बनाया जाता है सो दैट इट विल गिव अस मोर कनेक्टिविटी. इनके अलावा एक पोर्ट का कनेक्टिविटी क्रिएट करने के अलावा और कोई भी फंक्शन नहीं होता है. एक पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी क्रिएट करता है दो अलग इंटरफेसेस के बीच में और करंट और डाटा को शेयर करने में हेल्प करता है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू नाउ? ओ अब इसमें अलग अलग स्टाइल होते हैं, अलग अलग स्टैंडर्ड होते हैं. हर किसी एवरीवन मींस यू नो दिस कंपनीज हैव designed their own ports. These companies have designed their own sort of data, and means you know depending upon the need basically we use these ports. Nowadays USB type C ये इसलिए यूज होता है क्योंकि उसकी कैपेबिलिटी ज़्यादा है. इट कैन कैरी मोर अमाउंट ऑफ करंट, इट कैन कैरी मोर अमाउंट ऑफ डाटा एट द सेम टाइम, है ना. जैसे लाइक यूएसबी माइक्रो यूएसबी में अगर एक टाइम पे आप 6 GBps का डाटा ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो, तो यूएसबी टाइप सी में आप 32 गीगाबाइट का डाटा एट अ टाइम सेंड कर सकते हो एट इट्स मैक्स स्पीड, है ना. So this is the purpose. There is nothing else in that. This is the purpose to basically use this ports. After that, HDMI is like I have told you, I have shown you also how HDMI looks like. You might have seen this. Yeah, HDMI looks like somehow this this thing. This is HDMI. ये बहुत छोटा होता है. आपके टीवी में आपने देखा होगा, आपके कंप्यूटर्स में आपने देखा होगा. You might have seen this on such devices where computer or monitor get connected. Like if you might be having one projector, you might have seen that port too in the projector also. So it is a 19 pin port. Pins are arranged in this way. Along with that, today we have seen about RJ45 port as well as RJ45 cable, Ethernet port and Ethernet cable. This thing is called as Ethernet port, that is RJ45 port, and this thing is called as RJ45 connector. And one more thing I would like to tell you, the cable which is used to connect RJ45 connector is CAD6 cable. Now many of you might think that कि सर ये क्या होता है, क्यों यूज होता है, why do we use this? So basically this thing is used, ये जो सारे नाम है, ये जो सारे nomenclatures होता है, ये हम लोग डिसाइड नहीं करते बेटा. The companies which manufactures this, they decide कि इसका नाम क्या होना चाहिए, इसके इनके नाम ऐसे होते हैं. CAD6, RJ45, RJ45 port, RJ45 connector. Basically this interface is used to create or used to transmit Ethernet or like internet in wired format. Okay. After that we have seen about audio ports. Then we have seen 3 ports in which ये जो था ये एक्सटर्नल इनपुट अगर हमें देना है इसलिए था. ये जो था ये अगर हमारे स्पीकर्स, इफ यू वांट टू कनेक्ट आवर स्पीकर्स टू आवर कंप्यूटर, yes, if we want to get output from our computer and give it to the speaker which we have, we used to use this port. After that, if we are having some mic kind of device, we can connect it here. But nowadays we use 3.5 mm jack. Jack means, once again, jack is also called as connector. That is 3.5 mm jack, which is a stereo jack. जब भी हम लोग ऑटिस्टिक्स की बात करते हैं या फिर ऑडियो की चीज की बात करते हैं, देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. वन इज मोनो एंड सेकंड इज स्टीरियो. स्टीरियो मीन्स अगर आपने आपके कान में हेडफोन लगाए हुए हैं और आपको एक कान से अलग आवाज आती है थोड़ी सी और दूसरे कान से थोड़ी सी अलग आवाज आती है और दोनों आवाज एक साथ मिक्स होकर आपको आवाज सुनने को आ रही है, दैट थिंग इज कॉल्ड एज स्टीरियो. और आपने शायद ये ऑब्जर्व किया होगा क्योंकि नाउअडेज मोनो यूज नहीं होता है, आपका कोई एक ही ईयरफोन काम कर रहा होगा एट अ टाइम. when you plugged in anything or you have started anything, only one side of earphone will work at that time for some specific kind of for some specific kind of audio or video. In that case, the mono audio is connected or mono audio is recorded. So 3.5 mm जो जैक होता है ये स्टीरियो सपोर्ट करता है, basically support stereo, and it has 2 channels. Along with that, it has one recording port also. This recording port along with stereo channel of audio, a 3.5 mm jack is designed, and we can use this in nowadays we use it in very common. So I think it is pretty much clear to you for today's time. If any query, anything, you can definitely comment in computer science question. है ना? Computer science WhatsApp group. You can definitely comment there. You can definitely ask me the queries. Okay, Rajesh Manav Telangrao, is there anything that you didn't understood, beta? Okay. Let us give some time to understand these things also here. Is there anything or any problem to anyone, beta? You can definitely ask. I am waiting for next 5 more minutes. Your doubt in comment section if there is any. In our next class, we'll try to learn about external hardware, which we have already seen in our 6th standard. है ना? If is there any problem, you can ask me. Anything, any simplest doubt, you can ask me.
Which is the next class, sir?
There are so many comments are coming like, sir, what do you mean by system clock? Who is Vaishali Tekale? I don't know. Yeah, Vedant, I will tell you. Tell me in
Which is
personal
the
chat.
next class, sir?
Nobody will unmute the mic, beta. If you want to know anything, just tell me in the comment section. So what is system clock? Basically, system clock itself has so many uh, so many different meanings and so many other scopes in computing. Computer has clocks, computer has flags, computer has so many other things in terms of the internal structure of the computer. But I think for your sake of understanding at your age, system clock means when we turn off the computer, still when we turn on the computer, system shows the correct time. And if we'll turn off the computer and we'll turn on the computer, then also it will show us the correct timing, and it is maintained with the help of a battery, a small battery we call it as BIOS battery. So the clock which is maintained with the help of BIOS battery, that inside the system of the computer, that system is called as, that clock is called as system clock. है ना. सर एक्सप्लेन द ऑडियो पोर्ट. वेदो ऑडियो पोर्ट्स आर इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. बेसिकली दिस थ्री पोर्ट्स beside your computer मीन्स ये बेसिकली ओल्ड एज जो हमारे ये होते थे डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स थे उनमें ये आते थे. नाउडेज वी हार्डली एबल टू से दिस. डेस्कटॉप में शायद ही आते हैं. इनके अलावा और एक मल्टीमीडिया पोर्ट आता है ब्लैक कलर का. ब्लैक कलर पोर्ट इज देयर. क्या वेदांत आस्क मी. कहाँ पे रहते हैं ये पूछ रहे हो. ये कंप्यूटर के बैक साइड में होते हैं. कभी कभी कंप्यूटर के फ्रंट में भी दिया जाता है. यू माइट हैव सीन दिस, है ना. सो आई थिंक इट इज प्रेटी क्लियर नाउ. जिनको भी पर्सनल डाउट्स है दे कैन कम एंड आस्क मी इन द